This is a 2-pack solar light. It comes with the remote control. It will light up an area that you don't have electricity to. And of course, it should run off of the sun. I pulled out one remote control. It comes with a protective battery 2025 shield. The hardware that you get for each. A solar panel with the special DIN plug, about 15 feet of cable, and your light set that has a IP rated port plug if you don't want to use the solar panel. It has an on and off switch and a mode switch. It has the hanging bracket that's adjustable and the lights that are adjustable and will go up and down. You can take off this particular piece and hang it on the wall and snap it together. We'll demonstrate with the switch in the on. Press it once, twice, 3 modes. And each of the modes is going to do something special. One would be 50% on, the other would be full bright and shut down. When it senses motion, it'll brighten up for about 20 seconds. You have a remote control that is an on and off, mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. So let's go hook this up outside and show you at nighttime what it looks like. I put my light over here, I ran my leads, and I show you where my panel goes. We threw the second one up over there, and our panel is right in the sun, catching the rays for this evening. The other one is up higher in a different area. We're looking at the security light. We turned it on. We have mode 1, mode 2, and mode 3. Mode 1 would sense and shut down. Mode 2 would sense and dim. And mode 3 would stay dim all along. We have the light over the door. It brightens up a nice shot. And we're going to dim it to mode 3. Mode 3 is 50% and stays dim all night. Mode 2 would brighten up from 50% when you walk into its path, and mode 1 will be bright.